Hey guys, BrickQueen here with a mystery box to open for you guys. And this is just as much a mystery to you as it is to me because I have no idea what's in here. And this box was sent to me by Creative Kids. So I have to say a big thank you to them for this. So everything in this box is from them. And let's find out what actually is in here because I really don't know. They did not tell me what they were sending. They just said they were going to be sending a mystery box. So let's find out. Go ahead and open this. As you can see, I have not previously opened it, so I have no clue what's inside. If I can even, there we go, cut into this. There. Put my knife away real quick. And let's see. And looks like we have a nice little note from them, which is really cool. It's really great. Probably put that on my wall next to some of the others I've gotten like this. Okay, so let's pull this out of the way and see what we've got. Okay, so a lot of you watching probably don't care anything about this, but I think this is absolutely amazing. When I was a kid, I loved doing latch hook. So the unicorn latch hook design is fantastic. Absolutely love it. Like probably a lot of you don't care. I actually love latch hook. So that is really cool to me. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, a lunchbox and thermos with some markers so you can actually color the lunchbox. And it looks like maybe the thermos too, I don't know. It's pretty cool though. Comes with the markers. Awesome. And magic bouncy balls. Ooh, create your own super balls. That is interesting. I think I remember making those a long time ago or something similar to it. Up to 43 of them. So that's definitely interesting. Very cool. Okay, and what is this last thing? Creative air dry clay. Super light modeling material. Interesting. I don't really know much about this. So this is something I'll have to kind of play with and see how it works. Sounds pretty cool though. So that's everything I got in the mystery box from Creative Kids. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this mystery box. And if you want to see more detailed videos on any of these, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time.
Before you go, don't forget to click my picture to subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, you can click the thumbnail to check out more of my videos.